on the internet searching for a company that did work with tile, and I came across FJ Tile. The bathroom was a mess. I had a leak, I was told. Of course, I couldn't see the leak, but it started to show up in the other bathroom. And the tile was old, and I know that it needed a serious work. Let me say that the help that came was respectful, professional, efficient. They were very quiet. They worked independently, and so most of the time, I didn't even know they were here. They worked well together, even though I had more than one worker. They were very easy to talk to, and if I had any concerns, I was able to communicate that, and nothing really came up, so I was really happy with the progress. I am very pleased with the results because I could smell the bathroom, and it smelled new. It had that new look. It had a clean look. It had a professional look about it. So I'm hoping that this bathroom will last a very good time, and we're going to take good care of it and keep it clean and maintain it, but I'm very happy with the results. I actually highly would recommend this company. I did a lot of searching and really happy with my decision that I made, and I would do it again. And I plan on using them again in the future.